Hello, magandang hapon po. Si Kuya Jun Malubago po ito. Back to school, back to review po tayo. Ngayong hapon po ang topic natin ngayon ay mas malaki ang probability po na kasama po ito sa exam ninyo, sa NAPOLCOM at saka PNP exam ngayong darating na November 23 and 24 tungkol po sa Police Executive Service eligibility, entrance and promotional examination dyan po sa police. So, countdown I think 16 or 17 days na lang bago ang examination. Ngayon, ang topic po natin ngayon, ang pinakamainit na posible po malaking probability na may sama sa exam. Itong pag-ban na hindi na pwede ang PUGOS, PUGOS Internet Gaming Banned. Okay? Ito po yung balita ngayon that President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. or PBBM has issued Executive Order EO number 74 on the immediate ban of Philippine offshore gaming operations. So pag binigay ko po sa inyo ito sa exam, ang PUGO po, ang ibig sabihin ng PUGO, Philippine Offshore Gaming Operations. Okay, internet gaming and other offshore gaming operations in the Philippines as part of his administration's resolve to promote number 1, national security, public safety, number 2, and public order. So, okay. Tuloy natin ang balitaan. Executive Order number 74. Tandaan po ninyo pagbabam po yan ng PUGO, Internet Gaming. EO 74. Ang ibig sabihin ng EO, Executive Order number 74, signed by Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin on November 5, 2024, this month, covers PUGOS, Internet Gaming License, IGL, operations, and offshore gaming operations and services exclusive and directly offered to foreign players outside the Philippines via or through online means such as live stream electronic casino or casino games, online random number generator, RNG games, and online sports betting. Yung binanggit ko po, bawal na po yan. However, Executive Order number 74 does not cover online games of chance conducted by casinos. Ang hindi po pinagbabawal po dito sa Executive Order number 74, yung mga online games of chance conducted by casinos operated by PAGCOR. Okay, licensed casinos or integrated resort with junket agreements. Hindi sinama. Under the Executive Order 74, operators may no longer apply for licenses. Doon po sa mga PUGOS, internet gaming, hindi na kailangan kayo mag-apply ng licenses. Those with existing ones can no longer renew and are expected to cease operations and wind up their affairs by December 31, 2024. So kung halimbawa ngayon nag-operate pa kayo, yung mga PUGOS na yan, mayroon lang kayo hanggang December 31, 2024 na magbalot-balot na po kayo. To ensure the effective implementation of the EO, President Marcos has formed a technical working groups or TWGs. The TWG on employment recovery and re-enter generation shall address the effects of the foreign ban on the affected sectors of the economy and ensure the reintegration of displaced Filipino workers and the provision of assistance and safety nets at the soonest time possible. Kasi po mayroon tayong mga kababayan na maapektuhan po dito kasi yung iba nagtatrabaho dyan sa mga PUGOS. Kaya gumawa sila ng TWG or Technical Working Groups. This TWG shall be chaired by the PAGCOR while the Department of Labor Unemployment or DOLE shall serve as the vice chairperson. Okay, yung tawag dito, yung maapektuhan po dyan, dalawa, Department of Labor Employment at saka yung PAGCOR. Ngayon, the TWG on anti-illegal offshore gaming operations is tasked to intensify the crackdown on illegal POGOs, IGLAs, yung Internet Gaming License operations, and other offshore gaming operators, facilitate the investigation of individuals involved, and ensure prosecution of violators. So dalawa po ang TWG dito ha. Yung una yung PAGCOR at saka DOLE, Department of Labor and Employment, with respect to the displaced Filipino workers, yun na nagtatrabaho sa POGO, at saka yung TWG naman doon sa anti-illegal option gaming operations. Okay, doon sa TWG on anti-illegal offshore gaming operations, the Presidential Anti-Organized Crime Commission or PAOC shall chair this TWG with the Department of Justice as the vice chairperson. So okay, dalawa din yan. President Marcos has directed the Department of Human Settlements and Urban Development, DSUD, ito yung tinuturo po natin sa college, to assess the TWG on anti-illegal offshore gaming operations in securing the cooperation of homeowners associations to ensure the non-proliferation of the banned operations and services in subdivisions, condominiums, and other real estate developments. Sinama po dito ang DSUD ni President Marcos dahil itong mga subdivisions, condominiums, and other real estate developments, inupahan po nito ng mga illegal POGOs, doon sila gumagawa ng negosyo nila. The Department of Tourism or DOT on the other hand was tasked to monitor tourism establishments and facilities to ensure they're not utilized for POGO or GL and other offshore gaming operations or services. President Marcos first announced this unequivocal ban on POGO IGL operations, remember, during his third State of the Nation address in July this year. So dyan po nagtatapos ang POGO operations. So may executive order na po. Pirmado po si Executive Secretary Bersamin Nicolas na tawag dito with respect to the banning of POGO's internet gaming operations here in our country. So ulitin po natin, that is Executive Order number 74. Huwag nyo kaligtaan, baka isama yan sa exam. That is the banning of POGO's internet gaming and other offshore gaming operations in the Philippines. Ang dahilan po dito, tatlo, in order to promote number one, national security, public safety, and public order. Okay po, sana napulutan po natin ng aral itong share natin ngayong hapon. Ito po yung isi-share natin I remember rightly, yung nag-aral po ako ng Bugasiya, sabi ng professor ko yung din namin noon not to mention meaty. Yung content natin is meaty, malaman. Sige po. So naway pagpalain po tayo lahat at pumasa kayo lahat sa exam this coming November 23 and 24 2024. This is dito sa PC Entrance and Promotional Examination ng to be conducted by NAPOLCOM para makapasok po kayo sa PNP, Philippine National Police. Sige po, hiling ko po na pagpalain po tayo lahat ng Panginoon at pag-iingatan po tayo. Maraming salamat po. May God bless us all. Thank you po.